In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a PDF in UPDF on Windows. If you've ever wanted to tidy up a document by removing extra margins, headers, footers, or distracting edges, cropping is a quick and effective way to make your PDF look clean and professional. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any hassle. First, open the UPDF app on your Windows computer. Once it's up, you'll be greeted by the home interface. If you've used UPDF before, you may see recent files listed. Otherwise, don't worry, we'll bring a file in next. Choose a PDF file or upload one into UPDF. You can click the Open File button and browse to your document, or simply drag and drop a PDF into the window if that's more convenient. After you select your file, give it a moment to load, especially if it's a large document with many pages or images. Now look toward the top left of the interface and click on Tools. This is where UPDF groups editing and page management features. The Tools section is designed to keep everything you need in one place, so you won't have to dig through menus. Inside Tools, find the Crop option. Depending on your version, it may appear as Crop or Crop Pages. Click it, and your current page will display a resizable frame with handles around the edges. This frame defines what will remain visible after cropping. To crop, drag the corner or side handles inward to set the exact area you want to keep. You can reposition the entire frame by clicking and dragging inside it, and you can zoom in for precision if you're working near fine details. Take your time to line things up so margins and content look balanced. If your document has multiple pages with the same extra space, look for an option to apply the crop to more than one page, often the current page, a page range, or all pages. That way you can keep a consistent layout throughout the entire PDF. When you're satisfied with the selection, confirm the crop. The visible area will update to reflect your new boundaries. A quick tip: cropping typically hides parts of the page rather than permanently deleting them, so if you need to adjust later, you can return to the crop tool and refine your selection. That makes it easy to experiment until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Open UPDF, load your PDF, go to Tools, find Crop, and shape your pages exactly how you want them. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, sharper PDFs.